Hello and namaste. So, as we're going into this together, one day at a time, one step at a time, and I'm hearing from you on your private messages, your personal incomings, on DMs, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, even on emails. It just is an impromptu idea. As I'm looking at your queries and your concerns, a lot of your questions could actually, when we discuss them and gain more insights, could actually serve so many other people. So here is something coming from my personal belief, um, that as an individual, when we go through struggles and challenges, when we hustle, our our individual struggles always bring in learnings, and those learnings inevitably lead to growth in our life. And often, with the purest intentions of our hearts, we do wish to, um, we are contributing in the best possible ways, socially, and we do wish to do more. Yet, um, sometimes it's a matter of concern of how do I tell the other person that something like this happened to me and I gained this insight and this could help. um, Here's giving you an opportunity to use your struggles, to transmute your struggles into an act of service. How about we give you a tool wherein introspectively you could look at different aspects and different dimensions of your life, which um is a more holistic way of looking at life. So, look forward for the link below of a holistic care form wherein you can look at different aspects of your life, and it's a very very open-ended form. None of the questions is it's a very short, crisp activity, and nothing, the beauty of it is nothing is mandate there. You can use it up to your willingness, and fill it as many times, even extend it to people who around you in your life, who need help but don't know where to begin with, or who find it very hard to trust and discuss or open up. So the beauty of this tool is it's nothing is a mandate there. You can give in only as much as you want, and any which way, even if you put in your details, it is just going to be archived, so that if you wish to stay in touch over similar insights on similar topics, you would be notified. Else, you can use this form anonymously, and all your queries of a particular dimension of life, say if it is finances or emotional health, we take in all your queries about emotional health and answer them, discuss them together on a video format like this. So it would be done anonymously anyway, and hence it would be exclusive and confidential. The good part is that sometimes when we are dealing with something and we have certain queries, as we hear from other people who are dealing with similar issues, their queries and concerns could lead to certain insights about our own life. So this is an opportunity to use your struggles and transmute them, not just for growth and individual learning, but to put them out, extend them, and receive insights and information of so many other people who are going seeking insights on the similar aspect. So look forward to getting all your queries, and we will take them up as much possible, and we will try and ensure that even the last person is taken up, and we will keep them confidential and put them forth, discuss them on a anonymous video format, and let's use our struggles to serve from the purest intentions of our hearts. We're always trying to do our best to contribute and to help and serve in whichever way. Let's create something beautiful from our struggles. Let's create service from our struggles. So use the form below, the holistic care form below, and feel free to fill it as many times, and we shall take them up and connect back soon. So stay well.